The winter winds, they bark at me. The trees I climb, the things I've seen. My grandmother's grave, it's crawling around. I turned her upside down. The things she wanted for me have gone and passed. I'll never get them back unless I take a lash. Like the slave ship I'm building, the slave ship I'm on. A slave to my mind, a slave to the song. I'm wasting time in purgatory, in prison and self-dignification, a Tory. Is that even a word? Is it even a place? Or are we living in a holy grace? Sing some more, sing for what I know. The soul in your love is just too messy and complicated. It makes me frustrated and makes me really hesitated. You the same in the exact same sense. Why get back together when you have another fella? I got 3 or 4 that's sitting at your door, knocking in, waiting for the wind to bend us all into infinity. The timeless picture of a dream inside whose mind is already dead. He's already past us all in time. He never truly lived because in his main drawing he was like